What's up, KZN? You're watching Debit Online podcast with Fly Motion. Yo, I just came across a video on the internet while I was watching Tuleleni TV. Guys, how come ukuthi you can sleep with someone uvuke ngakusasa usuguge ngalendlela yokuthi engazuthi angazi uyikhehle noma isalukazi kanjani. So stick around, I have a video where intombazane kuthiwa uSinenhlanhla Khoza ona 31 ayithole eseguge engazuthi una 96 to 100-year-old. So ikhona le video le, you can go and watch laphana kwi-Tuleleni TV, but stick around because ngizokudlalela njengamanje. And also don't forget ukuthi ungasubscribe, ulike and share a comment, because I just want to find out ukuthi ngempela ingenzeka yini leyo nto yokuthi ulale nomuntu bese ekumunca bonke ubusha bakho and uvuke usuyikhehle noma uyisalawazi. Akulalele.
Mhla ka-3 July 95.
Okay. Ngicela sibuyele kena la, ufuna ukugxila kuyona le yalo muntu lo. Engcine nithandana naye. Unambatha kanye naye, waqhubeka wambona yena emsebenzini ukuthi nakho nginenkinga la ngiyakula.
Cause ngangazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So ngabe sengiyeka mina emsebenzini. Cause bese singasa communicate. Angazi kwenzakalani cause sambatha nje umuntu yabo lento yokuzibana kuthi wathula nami ngathula. Kwathi ngelinye ilanga ngena ku WhatsApp ngambona epostile nomuntu wakhe. So ngangafuna ukukhuluma nami ngavitane ngayithulela cause ngabona ukuthi shuthi vele
Nangu uSinenhlanhla lo wayenje, guys. She was just like that, a beautiful young lady. And then after sleeping with someone okusolakala ukuthi he's a foreigner or from Limpopo, she ended up being uGranny, as you can see. Now social media usevele wahlukana phakathi, as sazi ukuthi nathi kunabantu bokufika that kuthiwa abahambe ezweni, and also you have our sisters crying ukuthi uwe walala nomuntu okufika or waseLimpopo allegedly wamshiya enje. Now I don't know, can this thing really happen to someone in real life? That's my take. How can you change someone from this beauty to this old lady? Is it possible by umuti, by voodoo, by anything? Because the social media is severely phakathi due to the situation. I'm still gonna carry on with the video later on, but nangu uSinenhlanhla, according to uSinenhlanhla, doctors allegedly informed her that she may be suffering from a rare genetic condition with no cure, with no known cure. Sorry for that, about that. Listen, this whatever she's having, she will always be like that till the end. She also claimed that medical professionals told her it was the first case of its kind they had encountered locally. Locally, this is our first one, but this thing globally, it happens. But according to social media and what I've watched Tuleleni TV, it's contradicting this thing. Take a listen. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, let's put it here.
so ngangafuna ukukhuluma nami ngavitane ngayithulela cause ngabona ukuthi shuthi vele wayengiqambela mangimayethi akanayo umuntu.
Okumboneni ngokwenyama mhlambe ubusakwazi ukumbona emsebenzini before yeke?
Bengasamboni.
Wamgcina nini?
Amgcina ngawo 2022 ngiqala ukugula. Angiphilanga ngambona.
Ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi kungaconfuseki because udadewenu uthe wambatha naye emva kwalokho ngakusasa anisamthuli.
Hhayi ngakhe ngikhuluma naye kodwa nje kwaba khona lento yokuthi abona kwesinye isikhathi kuthiwa eze ngonto wayekade eze ngayosho.
Yabo ile nto engisho ukuthi ene kuyithuleleni TV it looks like she slept with someone who had an affair somewhere, and then allegedly that person made her look like this. Do you really think this thing can happen through sex or something? Let's meet on the comment section and discuss about this rare condition, because I'm not too sure whether it's a condition normal ubutarat. But it's up to you, KZN, to decide what's going on here. And also, if you know anybody who has been or maybe has gone through this condition, wasiza la kanjani, yabo, and lowo muntu loyo ukuphi namhlanje, because really ngempela from that to this, it's really, not it's not real. But angazi KZN, njengoba sengishilo cwaningi ngishele comment section, because nami ngisadidekile okwamanje. Let's zama ukuthi siphinde sizwe ukuthi kuthiwani laphana kwi-video, ngoba abantu ba-divided ku-social media. Abanye bathi uthakathiwe uloyiwe, abaxoshwa abantu bokuhamba. Abanye bathi no, this is a known syndrome, but njengoba ngifundele laphana ayilaphe. My God.
Lo mhla ka-3
Okay,
July 9.
asibeke la man.
Hhayi ngakhe ngikhuluma naye kodwa nje kwaba khona lento yokuthi abona kwesinye isikhathi kuthiwa eze ngonto wayekade eze ngayosho ukuthi wayengangithandi-ke yena. Wayefuna khona ukumbatha kodwa nje after that sesimbathile akubanga khona nje lokho kuqhubeka ukuthi bekhombisa ukuthi uyangithanda. Wabe sengiziba engasafoni uma ngimfonela, engafoni ema ukuthi uhambile waya emzini wakhe lo Sesteng. Uma ngimfonela
I think indaba yona ke ngenkathi lo mfethu lo ethandana noSisi, and then just before Sisi akhule, and then he disappeared, and then now it looks like really it's this Mjita who's a foreigner or from Lompompo ufakele lo Sisi lesifo sokuguga kanje. But I don't know, I feel like this is I don't know, guys. You tell me what's going on. Really, we I only cover and expose about the Malaysia government. But tonight, for today, as I come across social media, I said no, maybe you guys, KZN, DOP people, would like to have something to say about something like this. But before I close the show, this is what I recovered. See for this Iwena syndrome, okay, often referred to as adult progeria. This condition typically begins to show during or after puberty. Affected individuals are prematurely and often develop conditions associated with old age, such as cataracts, osteoporosis, and diabetics. By the time they get to the age of 20 and 30s, and losses low, uku 31 years old. So, guys, without wasting your time, guys, help me out. Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe to get the notification every time I drop another video. And also make sure you support me, guys, because ngizobe nginominathiwe kuma awards. Sengikhohliwe la ukuthi kuthiwani, but please look out. If you want to fly to support the Pen Online podcast, do that. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and nibekezelele le English yami. It's okay, we're gonna get there. I know some people be like, hey, but some people are like, yeah, so I'm really trying, guys. Stick around, watch more videos. They're coming through your screen, and make sure, because this podcast is the #1 podcast in KZN. Cha-cha-la-la-tam.